If you're thinking to make instant money online, then you're in the wrong place, because internet cannot give you instant money, but you can certainly build long-term wealth from the internet. We can make millions online, and I'm not talking about any scams. So today in this video, I will show you 7 ways to make money online in India in 2020 without any investments and without any scams. So welcome to my channel, and before we start this video guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button and keep supporting as usual. Thank you. Let's start the video. So I can tell you the exact methods to make money online, and as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking for a magic, then you're in the wrong place. So before we start, there are a few tips I would like to give you. Mostly data entry job providers are mostly scams, so do not waste your time and money. There is no quick way of earning money except in crime and scams, so stay away from both. You can earn a lot of money online if you have a passion to learn a new skill. You can work on starting something new and accept some kind of income in about 6 to 8 months time, depending on the work you're putting in. So I will show you 7 proven ways to make money online. And the first one we are talking about today is YouTube. Yes, YouTube is like half the internet, that is 1.9 billion users logging in every month, but at the same time 500 hours of videos are uploaded to the site every minute. So that means it's not an easy job. So you might not know that people are already making millions from YouTube. Again, like I said, not an easy option, but very much doable for anyone who can record and upload a good content videos on a particular topic. So for that, first thing is you need to start a channel. Make your channel successful enough that it meets the YouTube partner program requirements. Set up an AdSense account, explore your new monetization features, submit to ongoing reviews. Once you are successful in doing these steps, then YouTube will start playing their ads in your videos and you will start getting money. Apart from this, there are other ways to make money from YouTube. One is like affiliate marketing. You can also sell your own merchandise, and there are so many other options. In Google, I would recommend, if you are interested, start researching in Google. There are so many videos in YouTube itself which will help you to get this started. So second in the list, we have learn stock market trading. Yes. You don't need any money to start a YouTube channel, but you would need a little money to start your career as a stock trader. Yes, so you can earn money online by doing stock trading. If you know how to pick the right stock, you need a demat and a trading account to start trading. I must also make you aware that you may lose some money in stock trading, so better to start with less money and invest more time in learning the basics of stock trading. There are many videos on intraday stock trading in India for beginners which will help you to get started. You can view them before you think about starting something like this. And discount brokers are the best intraday traders, as they charge fixed brokerage of up to rupees 20 per trade irrespective of trade volume. So if you want to know what is intraday, then like I said, please watch the beginners video on stock. There are so many of them in YouTube which will help you to get this started. And there are also many stock trading brokers in India, like ICICI Bank has ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, Zerodha, Motilal Oswal, etc. So these can help you to get started on stock market trading in India. Next in the list, we have Facebook and Instagram. Yes, we can make money from Facebook and Instagram too. There are no limits on the earnings potential through Facebook, Instagram, or even Twitter. Yes, I am not joking. There are people out there who charge as much as rupees 15 to 20,000 for just one tweet or Facebook post. Yes, that is true. Here are some of the ways that I am aware of to earn money through Facebook. I know people have paid money directly to the admins to promote any content on Facebook pages. And do not confuse with the Facebook advertisement. I'm talking about Facebook page admins. And the social media fan base is an asset for such people. Most of them are in the entertainment domain. People related to fashion and entertainment can monetize their Instagram or a Facebook page. You can check the fan base of some stars like Gabbar Singh and StoryPic, and you can imagine how valuable those can be for any company who want to advertise on such pages. So company can pay a good amount of money for these successful pages to get their company advertised. So next in the list we have affiliate marketing. So as I said earlier, I will discuss about affiliate marketing as a separate topic because there are many ways with affiliate marketing to make money. Starting affiliate marketing is similar to running a retail shop. You sign up with retailers like Amazon and Flipkart, example, promote your favorite products on your website, your YouTube channel or other social media platform to make decent money. I am discussing affiliate marketing as separate option because it can fit with any kind of online business. In some scenarios, people don't even own a website but make money through affiliate marketing. I have seen people simply curated a list of products and link to Amazon so that interested people can buy books or let's say camera or the mic. Mostly I've seen it in YouTube channel, people selling the mic or the camera they use as an affiliate link. And affiliate marketing is very simple. It is a process where you refer others to buy a company's product and company pays you some commission based on every sale made on your referral. Commission could start from anything between 10 to 15% and that will increase depending on the traffic. Now you can start promoting affiliate links in Facebook page and other online forums and also write product reviews on LinkedIn and Quora. So this is about affiliate marketing. Next in the list is consultant. Yes, become a consultant. You can sell your advice and knowledge to many people. You don't have to be a super expert in one domain to become a consultant or a teacher. You just have to be better than your student or client. I know people who acquired content marketing skills by working with a lot of startups. Sometimes they got success and sometimes failure. With every failure, they learned something new in content marketing. Now people call them content marketing expert and pay them rupees 5,000 per hour for advice over the phone or through Skype. They help them in making a content marketing plan. They get more business by running better marketing campaigns. Anyone with a core competitive skills can become a consultant and find clients online. For example, if you are legal or finance professional, then you can make your website and start attracting clients online. You can either monetize your existing skills or learn new skills that make money online. Don't expect to make quick money without having any skills. I am saying it again, it is possible to learn online skills in few months of dedicated time. Next in the list we have blogging. Yes, you can start blogging to earn money online. You can make money from your writing skills in two ways. Write to someone and make money immediately, or you can write to yourself and make money slowly but consistently. That is the difference between a freelance job and owning a business. Your blog can be your online business. It will take some time to build your audience, but once you start earning money from blog, then your blog generate money even when you're sleeping. So there is a book called How to Make a Living with Your Writing. I will give the link in the description. Please go have a look. If you're interested, please buy and you can read it. It is worth reading for people who have interest in building a business through their writing skills. And yes, you can create AdSense using simple Google AdSense and earn money with Google. You make money whenever someone clicks on such ad blocks. It is the other version of YouTube.